Are you looking to upgrade your Thrustmaster TMX racing experience? Today, we're checking out a game-changing wheel adapter mod that allows you to swap out the stock wheel for a custom one. TMX is a great entry-level racing wheel, but its stock rim can feel a bit limiting. Whether it's the small diameter, the plastic feel, or the lack of customization, many sim racers want more. And that's where this adapter mod comes in. This adapter is designed to fit right onto the TMX hub, allowing you to mount a real racing wheel of your choice. Made from high-quality materials, it's durable and secure, ensuring that your new wheel stays firmly in place. Installation is pretty straightforward. First, you'll need to remove the top shell and disconnect the wheel from the board. Once that's done, simply attach the adapter, tighten everything down, and screw on your custom wheel of choice, then you're good to go. With the new wheel installed, the difference is immediately noticeable. The improved grip, larger size, and added customization options bring a whole new level of immersion and precision to your racing setup. So there you have it, the Thrustmaster TMX wheel adapter mod. Thank you to Kvappling for sending out this item. Whether you're looking for better comfort, style, or performance, this simple upgrade can make a huge impact on your racing experience. If you're interested, check out the links in the description for more details.